Hello everyone. I hope everyone having a great evening. Tonight's video is I'm gonna answer a question that I get often. Do I get lonely being a solo female traveler, living the SUV life, van life? You know guys, sometimes I do get lonely, but not lonely for a boyfriend, nothing like that. I want to share my experience with someone. I don't care if it's a friend, like a male or female. Go swimming, kayak, boat riding, go to a campsite and just hang out, have your little coffee, your talk. You go back to your van, I go back to my SUV. You go back to your tent, I go back to my SUV. You go back to your RV, I go back to my SUV. Sometimes you want that. But for us being lonely, no. See, I seen a little circle right there. You see it? With that one? And sometimes you do want to have company, but then you want your space. I like to have caravan, as they say, with someone, a couple of people, it doesn't matter. We sit around a fireplace, talk, have popcorn, drink our coffee. Then I go back to my SUV and they go back to their place. Get out, give each other space, and wake up in the morning and say, hey, when you see them, hey, how you doing? Maybe have breakfast and, do your own thing. That's what I like. But for us getting lonely, nah, because I'm used to being by myself, really. When I was married, I mostly stayed to myself anyway. For almost 11 years. But we still travel, but I definitely stayed by myself because when we moved to towns like in Tennessee, I didn't know anybody. I didn't find any friends there. I didn't go over anyone's house, and no one came to my house. Guys, it's a nice night out here. Very nice. See, I'm sitting out here alone. I feel fine. Sometimes you just want somebody to, I want somebody to experience this with me sometime. Not all the time, but sometimes. This is nice. I could have swore I seen a fish jump up or heard a noise out there. But yes, guys, this is going to be a short video. So don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding, ding, so you can get notifications of my videos. And guys, sometimes it's good to be, by yourself sometimes. Sometimes you need that. Yeah, smell the fresh air. It smells so good. Let's look up in the sky. I always do that to see. Guys, see the sky? Sometimes you can see like an image. Let me take it slow, because I don't want to get you guys drunk. Yeah, sometimes I wouldn't mind having a cup of coffee with somebody. Yeah, look just how that look. I know I keep stopping, but that is so beautiful. If you can just see it, not through this camera, but with your own eyes, you'll be like, it's beautiful, but it look like, it looks scary, but beautiful. But you be like, is this water coming at me, or? But it's not, it's beautiful. I'm gonna push it out some so you can see. When I push it to 5, it get darker. When I put it closer, it's lighter. But yes, that's somebody coming, getting in and out their truck, making that beep beep. But it's so nice. I guess y'all said, do she ever get tired of the harbor? Nope, never will. Never ever. This is my relaxing spot. And this is a spot where you can come, you can feel safe. And I talked to a few people here. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to go. I said it's going to be a short video. And I will make another video of another question someone asked me about. Do I have a boyfriend? Do I want a boyfriend? I will make another video on that one. So with that being said, until next time, bye, 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 bye. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell. Ding, ding.